It's that time of the year again. The Japanese Emperor Naruhito's birthday celebration held by the Japanese Embassy here in Kingston, Jamaica. This year, the celebration is held on the lawns of Pegasus. Join PBCJ as we present coverage of the event. I'm Raquel Robinson, and this is Agenda Jamaica.
I am pleased to welcome you as we celebrate the 65th birthday of His Majesty, the Emperor of Japan. It is a great and wonderful moment for me to honor and celebrate Japan's National Day, the 126th Emperor's birthday. First, let me congratulate the government of Jamaica, since Jamaica's macroeconomic stability, including the inflation rate, the unemployment rate, the debt-to-GDP ratio, has withstood challenges related to, among other things, significant weather-related events, including the passage of Hurricane Beryl and Tropical Storm Raphael. I also congratulate Jamaica for record-breaking numbers of foreign visitors and tourism earnings in 2024. Every year, Japan and Jamaica seize the immense opportunities to bolster their fruitful historical bilateral partnership to new heights. And last year, which was the 60th anniversary of our diplomatic relationship, we witnessed a new height in our Japan-Jamaica partnership, JJ partnership. Let me share with you some of the key highlights of Japan's development cooperation and collaboration with Jamaica in 2024 and in 2025 up to now. Earlier, in February 2024, Jamaica's Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, visited Tokyo and met with Japan's then Minister of Foreign Affairs, Yoko Kamikawa, and signed an exchange of notes for the provision of 1.26 billion Jamaican dollar grant funding to procure a research ship for the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining of Jamaica to strengthen Jamaica's fisheries and marine scientific research capacity. In July 2024, the All Japan importers of Jamaican coffee delegates from Japan visited Jamaica for their economic mission and coffee study tour, which was a very fruitful and rewarding experience. You know, both Japan and Jamaica have made great strides in strengthening the value-added Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee brand, which I'm happy to say is the #1 coffee in the world by far. In celebration of the 60 years of diplomatic relations between Japan and Jamaica, Dr. Akihiko Tanaka, the president of the Japan International Cooperation Agency, visited Jamaica for the first time from July 31st to August 1st and signed a memorandum of cooperation together with the former Minister of Finance, Dr. Nigel Clark, regarding future cooperation under the JJ partnership. Dr. Tanaka held high-yielding discussions with high-level officials of the Jamaican government, including Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, Prime Minister of Jamaica. He also met with executive members of JICA Alumni Association in Jamaica, which to date has over 600 members, all of whom have received technical training in Japan. Last year, 2024, was not only the 60th anniversary of JJ partnership, it also marked the 30th anniversary since the first Japan CARICOM consultations. In fact, on December 14, 2024, Japan's new Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Iwaya Takeshi, co-chaired the 8th Japan CARICOM Ministerial Conference in Tokyo, attended by Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith. You know, she visited Japan twice in the same year of 2024. That was great. With the aim of deepening exchanges between Japan and CARICOM countries, the exchange of notes on the Japan UNIDO grant aid for industrial equipment was signed as the Japan CARICOM Friendship Year 2024 commemorative project. Also in December last year, in the presence of the Deputy Prime Minister Chan, we also handed over 27 pickup trucks based on an agreement in 2023 and one rigid full inflatable patrol boat based on the agreement signed during the visit of Prime Minister Holness to Japan in 2019. In 2024, Japanese government committed to provide an ambulance to the Falmouth General Hospital and a school bus to the Richmond Primary School under the Government of Japan's Grassroots Human Security Project. Just this month, 3 school buses were gifted to 3 schools in Clarendon and Portland, making the numbers of school buses provided by the Government of Japan to 15. Another major achievement culminated in the visit of the Most Honorable Mrs. Juliet Holness, Speaker of the House of Representatives, and her delegation, including members from both sides of the political floor, at the invitation of Mr. Nukanga Fukushiro, Speaker of the House of Representatives of Japan, earlier this month. The cultural arm of the embassy was especially active in 2024. We had the second Japanese Ambassadors Cup Karate Tournament in January, the shamisen concerts in March, the Japanese photo exhibition in October, the collaboration concerts by Okinawa song musicians and reggae musicians in October, the groundbreaking ceremony of the Japanese Garden in December, and the Japan Festival in December. And this is just to name a few. These events were carried out in collaboration with several local schools and cultural agencies and provided opportunities for more Jamaicans to experience and participate in Japanese culture. Another notable cultural activities include recruitment for the scholarship by the Japanese government and also recruitment for the Japan Exchange and Teaching Program, so-called JET program. Under the JET program, over 24 years, we have sent almost 500 Jamaicans to Japan as assistant language teachers. I am pleased to share with you that the JET program has since expanded to offer a new category called SEA, Sports Exchange Advisor, from 2025. The embassy is now recruiting a candidate for SEA right now. As we finished the 60th anniversary, which is called Kanreki, meaning you are reborn again after 60 years old, we are looking ahead to the next round of 60 years between Japan and Jamaica. This year is the first year of the new round of 60 years, and we will have at least 2 big events to enhance our relationships. The World Expo 2025 in Osaka, Japan, from April to October, in which Jamaica will participate, and the World Athletics Championship Games in Tokyo in September, in which Jamaica will participate, of course. I cannot wait for those events. I wish that Jamaican athletes who will camp in Tottori Prefecture of Japan to prepare for the championship games will shine and sparkle in the games with a lot of medals. I, together with all the other members of the Japanese embassy, wish you to have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Thank you very much.
I am pleased to bring greetings this evening on behalf of the government of Jamaica and the people of Jamaica in celebrating the 65th birthday of His Majesty Naruhito and the 126th as the 126th Emperor of Japan in this the 7th year of Reiwa. It's the Reiwa era. Reiwa, we know, signifies beautiful harmony, and it epitomizes our shared pursuit of peace, stability, and unity, particularly in a world marked by war and conflict that threaten to erode the foundation of our existence. As the world observes 80 years since the end of World War II, we're reminded of the harsh realities of destruction, displacement, and division that should compel us to redouble our efforts in the pursuit of international peace and security. We therefore endorse the call by His Majesty earlier this year to work together to create a peaceful world. We wish His Majesty long life and good health as he continues to make a positive impact on the Japanese people and others from every corner of the globe. Excellency, as I reflect on the bonds of friendship which have been forged between Jamaica and Japan, I am reminded of the beautiful chrysanthemum, an emblem of the imperial family. The chrysanthemums represents longevity and rejuvenation, qualities which perfectly describe the close relationship that our countries have enjoyed over the years. Indeed, our affiliation is anchored in more than 6 decades of dynamic and robust bilateral ties, underpinned by shared values and principles that unite us within the global community of nations. This occasion is an opportune time, therefore, to reflect on the synergies that have defined our cooperation at all levels, including the vibrant people-to-people connections between Jamaica and Japan, which have fostered mutual understanding, deep respect, and cultural awareness. Jamaica and Japan have collaborated actively for 35 years in areas vital to our national development. The JJ Partnership, as it is fondly known, is characterized by high levels of technical cooperation across several sectors. This includes health, energy, trade, security, and defense. Much of this work is attributed to the active engagement of the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, right here in Kingston. Indeed, Jamaica owes a debt of gratitude to the Japanese Overseas Cooperation volunteers who have facilitated the provision of invaluable assistance in a range of areas, including health, education, and ICT. These volunteers and the many technical experts have become an integral part of various communities throughout Jamaica. They have made valuable contributions to the society, and I therefore convey the sincere appreciation of the government of Jamaica and the people of Jamaica, of the government of Japan, JICA, and JOCA, for enriching the lives of thousands of Jamaicans and supporting the advancement of Jamaica's national development agenda. Our partnership has also found expression in other cooperation programs offered by the government of Japan, such as the Japan Exchange and Teaching JET program.
JICA has been generous enough to the Jamaican government to send many people to Japan to learn various things, including waste management, social development, education, tourism, really a gamut of programs that is offered by JICA. And what it is that I do and the organization that I lead does is that we put together various programs to advance the sharing of knowledge that we would have gleaned from Japan to other people in Jamaica who have not been to Japan yet.
And other cross-cultural exchanges, which has enabled Jamaicans to work as assistant language teachers in Japan. These opportunities have allowed many of our people to immerse themselves in the Japanese culture, gaining insights into the customs and traditions which shape the Japanese perspective and the way of life, while showcasing Jamaica's rich cultural heritage. I am pleased that since 2000, 740 Jamaicans have participated in the JET program, including 47 who are currently serving in Japan. It's big things that. Given the enriching professional and personal experience of the participants, I anticipate that the program will continue to attract an increasing number of Jamaicans who wish to experience the rich Japanese culture and language. I must say another very important aspect of our interaction is the shared love for our Blue Mountain coffee. I am pleased that our Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee has remained strong in Japan as one of its prized commodity. I welcome also that approximately 70% of all our coffee export is taken up by the people of Japan. This is actually a remarkable tribute to an extraordinary partnership forged around the distinct flavor of the rich aroma of the special bean of this iconic beverage. Last year, we celebrated 60 years of diplomatic relations. It was a distinct pleasure to welcome several cross-cultural events in Kingston, such as the Okinawa Songs and Reggae, a joint concert held at the Edna Manley College for the Visual Arts, the joint mini concert at the Ambassador's Residence, as well as the first Japanese One Love photo exhibition at the National Gallery of Jamaica. All have increased our appreciation for your various cultural expressions. The official opening last December of the Japanese Garden at the Hope Botanical Gardens was a fitting end to the events commemorating the diamond anniversary of our diplomatic relations. I have already indicated my support, and I will be joining the other ladies of Jamaica who will be going along with yes, it is going to be our pleasure to give you all the support in having the Japanese garden established, so you can look forward. The flowers of the Japanese garden are unique reminders of the symbol of renewal and hope. It is acknowledged by Kanrike, as well as the strength of our bilateral ties. Excellency, my recent official visit to Japan continues the tradition of high-level engagement between the Jamaican and Japanese officials. We thank the government of Japan for its customary warm welcome, Oma Tenashi, and more importantly, the tangible demonstration of its commitment to further deepen ties at all levels between our countries. I must say, it was an eye-opening experience to observe the level of respect every Japanese citizen had to everyone else whom they met. Deep respect. Dignity was a hallmark in my visit to your senior citizens facility. It gave us the opportunity to appreciate in visiting Kobe not only the best Kobe beef in the world, but also going to UCC, looking at a coffee museum, which we would love to have at UCC here in Jamaica on the Irish Town Road very soon. We appreciated, and as a member of parliament in a coffee producing constituency, for the very first time I appreciated that coffee in Japan was not about price. They were very happy to pay a high price for excellent quality coffee. It was all about quality. I left with my certificate of being a new master, chef, I can now go and make my very favorite sushi. The experience of observing the deep respect for the parliament and the officers across both parliaments in Japan was also an eye-opener. My team, the delegation, and I will forever be grateful for the experience, and I look forward to Mr. Wishima's promise to have some of our Jamaican coffee farmers given a scholarship from UCC to come to Japan to also have that cultural exchange and training done. So our Jamaican coffee farmers, you will be on the next series of Jamaican workers to experience the warm hospitality, the culture, and the open arms that Jamaicans receive in Japan. So as we look forward to commemorating 61 years of robust diplomatic relations on the 16th of March, be assured of the commitment of the government of Jamaica to the continued strengthening of the bonds of our friendship. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I ask that you join me in a toast. I hope you all have your glass. Cheers.
Cheers and kanpai.
Kanpai.
Kanpai. Kanpai. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you very much, Juliet. Thank you very much.
So let me say, Otanjobi, Omedida,
Thank you very much.
Gozaimasu. Happy birthday. Arigogata gozaimasu.
This has been PBCJ's coverage of the Japanese Emperor's birthday celebration held by the Japanese Embassy here in Kingston, Jamaica. I'm Raquel Robinson, and this has been Agenda Jamaica. Thank you for watching. Arigato gozaimasu.